LIG Nanowise is a Manchester-based startup. We're focused on the development of Microsphere technology and integrating that into complex instrumentation ranging from microscopes through to nanopassing devices and 3D printing. The Nanopsis is effectively the world's most powerful wide-field optical microscope in terms of resolution. And what this does is it has the effect of amplifying light in the invisible spectrum and creating a virtual image that we can then use to actually see super resolution structures on the most basic of imaging setups. The real vision behind the product is to put super resolution at the forefront of research so that you can be carrying out investigations and validating your samples in real time rather than waiting days or weeks to get back results. That's a core part of our vision, to transform the industry, not to replace existing solutions but to completely synergise with them and add a new way to make things quicker and cheaper. So our journey really started when a number of colleagues at the University of Manchester got together and thought that they had some ideas outside of the remit of their work at university that they wanted to explore and take further. And then as soon as we'd secured our VC funding, we were able to take up residency in Manchester Science Park. Our placement at Manchester Science Park has been pretty critical to developing the technologies that we have, not only in terms of the superb facilities that we have access to, but also the fact that we could effectively have a blank slate to then put in the right equipment that we wanted in the lab and customise it to our needs. And plenty of expansion room. I mean, at the start we only had, say, 1-2 employees, and now, you know, in Nanowise we've got a team of 7 and looking to expand further. They've also been always on hand to help with even, you know, minor issues with regards to looking after us while we're on the site, but also then introducing us to local investors or recruiters. Even walking down to the kitchen can result in a partnership of some kind, so it's really exciting space. Manchester has a really proud history of scientific advancement and development, and we consider ourselves to be just another chapter in a very proud history of discovery.